Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. Ew. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay. So today's video is going to be all about this wig that I have on my head right here from Eayon Hair. The link to this wig is going to be down in the description box. The hairline and everything looks great. I used a new method. It is the method of using this Sally Hansen airbrush legs to quote unquote bleach the frontal without bleaching it, and it worked pretty good. So I did not bleach the knots or anything. All I did was use this, and I'm going to be showing you how I did that in this video. I'm also going to be showing you how I laid this wig and everything else, so if you're interested then just stay tuned. But before we get into it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smack the shit out of your screen where the subscribe button is, the like button is, the comment section is, all that. Just smack your screen, keep smacking it, but don't get a crack in it because you still gotta see this video, bitch. Also follow me on all of my social media platforms, which will also be listed down in the description box for y'all. Now let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back with another new wig. Again, no makeup. My face is breaking out. It's actually getting better, but whatever. I'm still trying to heal my face, so that's why I don't have on any makeup. That shit is crooked in the background, but every time I try to fix it, I end up like it's like too heavy because all my clothes and shit in there. So I'm gonna have my brother do it later, whatever. Don't pay attention to that shit. So this hair is from Eayon Hair. This is what the packaging looks like. Cute, cute, cute. And this is the wig. This is the Brazilian water wave hair, and it is 20 inches and the density is 180. And this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like the frontal is low-key pre-plucked, and it does come with baby hair, but yeah, it doesn't look bad. Alright, so the cap construction. So it is a full frontal. It has about, it has a lot of parting space. This is literally about probably like 6 inches of parting. It has about 3 combs on the front. The combs are on the lace. I don't like when they're on the lace, but whatever. One right here, here, and in the middle right there. There is a comb in the back, and there's also the adjustable straps as well. It is a 360, so there is the lace in the back. So first I'm going to turn the wig inside out and I'm going to put it on my wig head. This is going to be me showing you guys how to bleach your knots without actually bleaching your knots, if you know what I mean. So this is how your wig should look on your wig head, turned completely inside out. Alright y'all, so don't mind my sweatpants, but this is what you're going to be using. It is the Sally Hansen airbrush legs, and I have mine in the color medium glow. It's water resistant, all that, whatever. And you're going to spray it all over the lace. You're going to spray like an even layer of it. You just got to pick one of the colors that is close to your skin tone. And then once you do that, you want to spray some of your got to be glued freezing spray over it. So I'm gonna let it dry and see how it turns out. If you're impatient, you can just take a blow dryer and blow dry. So now I'm going to be plucking the hairline a little bit The method with the Sally Hansen spray actually worked pretty good. Of course, if you want it to be like more defined, you can go with a second layer of that Sally Hansen leg spray, and of course go back in with the second layer of the Got to Be Glued as well. I showed y'all how I plucked my wigs before, so I don't think I'm gonna even be doing this on camera. Alright, so this is the wig on my head. It actually matches pretty good. That does not look bad at all. Let me push all this back. This is how it's looking. Like this. This looks actually really good. Now I'm gonna take my Got to Be Glued. I honestly do not be waiting all the way for shit to dry. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't even cut like any baby hair into this. For my baby hair, I'm going to use this Tresemme mousse. I'm not doing no baby hair over here because I don't really plan on wearing it any other way. Okay, so now that this is tied up, I'm going to take my spray bottle with water and conditioner, and I'm going to just start spraying. Any conditioner will do. This hair is extremely soft, by the way. This hair is so soft. I'm not getting any tangles. As for shedding, I am getting some shedding. I'm gonna take just a little bit of mousse. Well, that's not a little bit, but whatever. And look at this curl. This curl is so cute. So I'll be back once this is dry. Okay, I'm back. I changed my clothes real quick. Now, let's untie this. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. It is big, it is fluffy, it is soft, it's beautiful. The hairline came out good. I really do like the technique of using this Sally Hansen airbrush legs. how it turned out. I did not bleach the knots at all. I just used that Sally Hansen spray and the hairline came out really good. So if you enjoyed this video, the link is going to be down in the description box for y'all. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the shit out of your screen right where that subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, okay? And before you go, also be sure to look in the description box for all of my social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that. Adios.